Hey guys, Zoeb here, OneGlanceTrader.com, and I just wanted to do a very quick video because I've been testing the OGT Price Action Indicator version 1.1, and I saw an opportunity while I was testing to get into a short trade on the Euro USD, and I thought I will quickly show you the reasons why I've done that using the indicator. So as you can see, I'm in the trade now, still order. It's only 30p a point. I've got a very small account when I trade on there, so it's still not too high. And I'd like to draw your attention firstly onto this bar over here with a red signal on it. So this is the engulfing pattern big shadow notification that has come through. Again, I'm not going to go into the settings of this indicator at the moment. I'll do that when I officially release version 1.1, but I just wanted to show you the reasons why I've done this trade. And for those who've been listening to my previous videos, you guys know that I'm quite a big fan of confluence factors. So firstly, obviously, we've got a big shadow engulfing pattern launched here. One of the rules is that it's got to be bigger than the previous 5 candles, or one of the biggest candles you've not seen in a long time. And as you can see, it's been a long time since we've seen a candle of this size over here. And again, I talk about placement of where these kind of patterns should occur. So again, it's happened near a what I'm deeming as a strong resistance level, and this line I drew, I think, if I go to the monthly chart, which is this line over here, you can see that I think it's further down over here. You've got some strong areas of support there, resistance here. Again, a pin bar that's formed over here doesn't make it as part of a kangaroo tail pin bar as per as an indicator, but you could argue it's a pin bar. Again, a big sell off there. So, it is a strong area of, support and resistance zone. So if I look on the monthly chart, we are in a downtrend, bit of consolidation, bit of a rise. This could just be a minor pullback for a longer term trend in the long term. But again, I'll be watching it on the daily. If I go to the weekly chart, again, it could just be getting a pullback of the of the main trend that could be developing there, so I'll be watching it. But again, I'm not trading weekly and monthly. I'm trading the daily. So for the short term, this could be a move. So there's obviously an engulfing pattern, big shadow, a strong resistance support line there that has been held in previous months and years. And also we've kind of reached kind of a main high here as well. I think we talked about this in the pin bar videos. I think it's roughly about 6 odd years or something like that. So we've got 2 pin bars. Price doesn't want to get above this high here, try to break out, and has gone back and tested around this support, which is now broken there. Another thing I wanted to look at is, I'm a big fan of divergence, and if you just use the pin bar and divergence, you probably would have captured this at this whole move here. But if we look at these 2 peaks, from this peak to this peak, all the way up to this pin bar of 836, you can see we've got a nice higher highs, lower highs type situations, but now we've got lower highs, higher highs in the same scenario. And I believe my divergence knowledge is correct. I think it's hidden divergence. I'm not too sure. You guys might need to correct me on that. But again, that has produced a sell-off there. Even if you just traded the 2 pin bars, probably not this one. You probably would have stopped out on this one just there, depending on where you put your stop. But you would have made a nice move, and if you're still in this trade, depending on what your exit criteria is in there, then you'll be continuing down with this downward trend. So I just wanted to show you a quick video, again, a little sneak glimpse of the of version 1.1 and the big shadow and when it can be used for. Again, I'm in a slight bit of profit, but let's hope this trade works out. So appreciate the time. I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.